Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link desktop device on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the devices option. Now tap on the link desktop device option. You can now scan the QR code displayed on your laptop. To get the QR code, visit getdesktop.telegram.org on your laptop. And this is how you can link desktop device on Telegram.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.